Assalamu alaikum. My name is Javeria Amjad and my group members are Zainab Khan and Nigai Fatma. We are students of DPT 10th semester from Shifa Tamir Millat University. We are here to present our research project titled as the immediate effect of a single session of post-isometric relaxation technique on the upper trapezius muscle length in young adults. This research project is under the supervision of Dr. Syed Ali Hussain. Post-isometric relaxation technique, which was proposed by the Carl Levitt. The main purpose of this study is to investigate the effect of a single session of post-isometric relaxation technique on the upper trapezius muscle length, which is often prone to shortness due to constant psychological stress, people who are involved in the continuous repetitive activities, and the people that adapt poor posture.
Now to take the measurements, the participant is positioned comfortably. We are using a vernier caliper to measure the length of the upper trapezius. This procedure of using vernier caliper to measure the length of the upper trapezius by vernier caliper is used by Norkins and White in 1988. There are two landmarks for this procedure. Number one is the mastoid process and second is the acromioclavicular joint. To mark the landmarks, first the mastoid process is present behind the ear near the bony prominence. We will first mark it here, and for the acromioclavicular joint we will depress the shoulder of the patient slightly and mark the acromioclavicular joint between the acromion process and the clavicle. Now to take the initial measurement, we will ask the participant to perform cervical flexion, lateral flexion and slight rotation. Now to take the measurement, we will put one jaw of the vernier caliper on the mastoid process and second jaw on the acromioclavicular joint and measure the distance between the two jaws, which is 16.1 centimeter. This is our initial reading, and now we will perform PIR and note the immediate effect of single session of post-isometric relaxation on the upper trapezius muscle length.
I am going to perform a single session of post-isometric relaxation technique. In this technique, the targeted muscle will be contracted isometrically, which means the length does not change. After the contraction is released, we will passively stretch the muscle. I will ask the patient to perform cervical flexion, lateral flexion and then slight rotation. Patient will use 20% of the force and contract the upper trapezius isometrically. This hand will be used to resist that force and this hand will be used to stabilize the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Inhale. As the patient inhales, a deep breath, and as soon as he exhales, I will passively stretch the muscle. Now in this position I will note the second reading. The second reading is 18.3 centimeter.
Hence, we can conclude that there is a significant increase of 2.2 centimeter in the length of upper trapezius muscle, and we can repeat this procedure up to 4 times. Thank you so much.